Okay. All right. 1 to see. I believe now you know that. Look here, yeah. I give you different combination. Okay. X is 3 on 2. You can do manual trace, yeah. 5 trace, then 3 on 2. Type 3 on 2, yeah. 3 divided by 2. Enter, or they give me 12.4. Yeah. Done. Okay. But instead of that, can I do in here? Do back in the calculator page. They are just now for question 1. I show you that I type this. I can copy these expressions into the graph. Also, you type the equation in the graph in here. My equation called F7. Can you see in here? Yours may be different name, but you can see F what in your equation. So which means it's already defined for you. F7 is your current graph right now. So which means I can go to here and just type F7. Mine is F7. You check. Yeah, 3 divided by 2. And enter. I got this. Okay, so don't retype what you want. Let's say I want to go back in the calculator page. I already type it in the graph. What is this called? F7. Then I use F7. Make sense to you? Okay. Good. Make sense? So make sure you understand this, yeah? All right, question 3, I let you guys to practice by yourself. And I give you another cool shortcut in here. Listen to this, yeah? Once you finish that, I give you something like this. I believe you guys, the second time, some other situation, you guys did come across with this many times already. For example, I typing something. Let's say I typing something, yeah? I type. Hey, I forgot the font bit in here is not 3. It's supposed to be 2. Let's say for this one, I want to change this. But your cursor is here. So what do? Yeah, you keep push left all the way to here, yeah? So wasting time. Another shortcut, look here, okay? Yeah, is you can do Control-7. Can you see the cursor jump to the front? And Control-1, you can see it jump to the back. Use the shortcut in the keyboard. Control-7, it jump to the front. Control-1, it jump to the back. So it save you some time. Control-7, it jump to the front, the cursor. You want to change something. I don't want N, I just want solve, or something I don't want 3. Control-1, jump back into the back. You need to get used to this, yeah? And more than that, Control-1 and Control-7 also give you some other features is, if you are in the current line, Control-7, Control-1, jump front and the back. But if you go up 1, let's say I want to copy, I want to get some information about. Once I got so many commands, yeah, I don't want to go all the way to the top. Control-7, jump to the first command, the top command. Okay, Control-1, jump back down to the lowest, the bottom one. So Control-1, Control-7. In the current line, left, right, or up and down. And then more cool features. It's all in the keyboard shortcut. This is the cool features, yeah? But sometimes you say, I don't want all the top. I just want a few step up. So what you do up, or I want this one, yeah? So instead of this, what you can do is Control-9 is jump. Control-9, jump to the next, can you see in the middle? Okay, Control-9 again, jump to the top. So Control-9 equivalent to up. Okay, so you can jump up, of course you can jump down. So Control-3, all 4, like the 4 corner, jump down. Okay, Control-7, Control-1, Control-3, Control-9. Get used to it instead of up. Control-9, jump. Yeah, Control-3, jump down. Okay, so next time when you got so many commands, especially paper 2, section B, you enter so many things, suddenly I want to get back something. Instead of keep pressing up, Control-9, Control-3. Okay, yeah. All right, then another one, you probably have something like this, and then you ask for help. You say, what is that? Yeah, like this. What is this called? Split screen, yeah? This is actually useless because your screen is already so small, you split, you can't see anything, right? So what do is how do I get rid of this? If you accidentally got this, so if you accidentally got something, you can do undo, yeah? Undo, one of the options is Control Z. Undo, Control Z is just go to the one above command that I did. So I can undo the split screen. But what caused split screen is actually Control 4 is where it caused split screen. So why you got split screen? Because you accidentally press Control 4. And to get rid of it, instead of Control Z, you can actually do Control 6 is get rid of the split screen. Because Control Z is just one command up. If once you split screen, like once I split screen, yeah, and I type several things, I do Control Z, it's just get rid of my typing only. Okay, so to get rid of the split screen, only split screen, Control 6. So Control 1, 7, 3, 9, 4, 6 is all these shortcut in your keyboard. Okay, write that down. There's the cool features. 1, 7, 3, 9, 4, 6. Got that, yeah? All right, then question 3, we just skip it first. Let me explain a concept for you. Yeah, matrix. Okay, you may say, I don't need matrix though. I know you don't need that. If you're doing AA, yeah, AI, you need a little bit of that. So, but I still teach you this because you got some key features. You got some secret shortcut. It can able to help you to do something that you suppose can't do it in your graphic calculator. To do that, you need to understand this first. Let's have a look for this. This is a 2x2 matrix. If you got a square matrix, you can always find out their determinant. Okay, what is determinant? Determinant, this is a concept, nothing to do with the calculator first. You need to understand this concept first. Determinant is AD, which means this diagonal times this diagonal. So AD minus BC. That's give you determinant, okay? So for example, this question A, I want to find the determinant. If you're doing by hand, yeah, determinant is A is AD. So which means 2 times 4 minus BC, 3 times minus 1. AD minus BC, it will give you answer. Yeah, but I want to do it in the calculator. I want to do it in calculator to find the determinant of this matrix. You please be patient, yeah, and see. I try to understand why I'm teaching this later on. You need to understand this right now first. So how do I get the determinant, or how do I do the matrix first? The matrix is the button right next to 9 and the book, yeah, between the 9 and the book, this button. You can see that's a 2x2. Yeah, so press this. So I can do AD, BC. So which means my matrix is 2 and use tag. Don't move the cursor. Tag is the fastest way. You got -1, tag, and 3, tag, and 4. But I forgot I want the determinant at the front. I need determinant. I just don't want the matrix only. I want the determinant. So Control 7, jump to the front. Yeah, try to use to this new style. And menu, matrix, menu 7.3, menu 7.3, menu 7.3, you got a determinant. Then you can get rid of the close bracket, enter. You got the determinant. Okay, so this is the determinant of a matrix. Question 11. Determinant of the matrix. Okay, so can you do question AII for me? If you're thinking about this question, question 4, this one, hey, I can solve systematic equation. Once you log in test mode, it doesn't have that. Okay, right now you click menu, you algebra, like this one, you still can choose solving system linear equation. But once you're on test mode, you won't have this anymore. Okay, you won't have this anymore. So you need to know that, yeah. So that's why don't use something that you can use right now, but something in test mode, you say, my original method doesn't work. So what should I do? Yeah. So that's why, how will you do this? Question 4, think about that. I don't want to do it by hand. I want you to do it by calc. So one of the method, maybe if I want to do it by calc, or I graph it then, but I kind of graph like this. So I rearrange. So which means you got y. Of course, you can do first method. Method 1, substitution. Method 2, elimination. That's all by hand. Yeah. I don't want by hand. So 3, graph. Graph, yeah. So graph, I need to rearrange. So which means y is equal to 6 minus 3x over 7. But this is a bit dumb. But anyway, better than nothing. Okay. So I got an equation. I grab it. So I want to delete everything. Delete. Yes. Okay. Menu. Menu 4, 5. Zoom standard. Go back to the original. Okay. I can grab it. So tag graph.
6 minus 3.
Yeah. 6. Sorry.
Fraction.
Yeah. Fraction. Control equal sign. 6 minus 3x divided by 7. Enter. Yeah. The other one tag. Control 12 minus 4x on 6. Enter. Hey, that's an intercept. Go away. Okay, I see an intercept. And then menu, graph analyze, intersection. Okay, I got this. Yeah, but you can see not efficient, right? It's not very efficient. That's why I teach you the matrix right now, because you can use this. Solving systematic equation doesn't work, but you can use a program called RREF. Okay? Yeah, sorry. Go back to this calculator page. You got a program called RREF, but before you use it, RREF, where is it? The first questions. And how do I put it? It's the second equation. So RREF requests a matrix form. So what happened is you need to convert this into a matrix form first. To do this, you must follow the order xy equal constant. So x, y, and then constant. Okay, so which means if I convert the matrix form, will be 3, 7, 6. And the next one must be xy constant, yeah, 4, 6, 12. Okay, you got RREF, 3, 7, 6, 4, 6, 12. So first questions, where is the RREF come from? Either you type it, okay? But for example, I say, I forgot how to type RREF again. Yeah, so you can do menu, matrix. Can you see the number 5? Menu 7, 5. The reduced row, yeah, RREF. Okay, when you press it, menu 7, 5, yeah, it also got RREF. You can type, same thing. Okay, but what I want a matrix. So which one, what order do I want? What by what? Good, 2 by 3, yeah, 2 by 3. So go this 2 by 3, tag, yeah, tag, 3, tag, 7, tag, 6, tag, 4, tag, 6. Right, enter, ta-da. I got the answer. Okay. Be careful, yeah? To show the answer, make sure the left-hand side is an identity matrix, which means this diagonal must be 1. Then this is your answer. Okay, I don't need, what's it called? I don't need the solving system equation. Right. Copy this down, plug 25 over 5 and minus 6 over 5 here. 24 over 5 and minus 6 over 5. So make sure 24 over 5 and minus 6 over 5. Make sure This is 1, 0, 0, 1. This one is an identity. This is called identity like this. This diagonal is 0. The rest is, this diagonal is 1. The rest is 0. Then your answer, the first one stand for your X. The second one stand for the Y. Okay, yeah. Good. All right, try the next one. This is a secret. Right. Don't tell your friend, okay? Keep it low. All right, next one. And if you are my student, you know me well, yeah? You know I won't give you the same question and give you follow the pattern, right? Always add something. So try the next one. You say, hey, how come it's something weird? Yeah, seems like the same. Seems like simultaneous equation. So I do double REF. And then I can put the matrix 2, 3, 6, 4, 6, 12. Yeah, put it in. What you see? Double REF. Another 2 by 3. 2 tag 3 tag 6 and 4 tag 6 tag 12. Enter. 8. I don't have identity. So what does it mean by that? Yeah, is it doesn't work? It's not doesn't work. It's something different. So you need to understand this. Next time when you see a double REF and you see this, what will happen? What does it mean by that? What is this again? This is two linear, right? Everyone understand this two linear, yeah? How many different ways to sketch two linear? 3. This one here, explain to you, okay? So if your linear like this, if this is the case, then your double REF will have this, because the answer is stand for the intersection. They will have a unique intersection. Okay, so in the equation point of view, as long as two gradient is not the same, two different gradient, a line have two different gradient, they will have one unique solution, right? In a matrix point of view, in a matrix point of view, the determinant, just now I told you what is determinant, is not 0, then you have unique solution, okay, for this matrix. The second one is they are parallel, which means no solution. In an equation point of view, how would they parallel? Two gradient is the same, and the y-intercept is not the same. Two gradient is the same, the y-intercept is not the same, parallel. No solution. Okay, undefined. The last situation is if two linear on top of each other, yeah, which means kind of parallel. They're still parallel, but on top of each other, which means gradient the same, y-intercept the same, they will have infinite solution, which means they have so many intersections. Okay, yeah. And for these two, they both will show determinant equals 0. Determinant for this matrix equals 0. Okay, so you got 3. You're dealing with two linear, you got 3 situations. So the first one is unique solution. Look at the second one. Can you see this double to get this double to get this double to get this here? So what do you mean by that? Which means these two equation is the same. These two equation is on top of each other. You got so many intersect. So in this case, your double REF outcome is not an identity, and the last row is 0. 1, 3 on 2, and 3. Okay, because they have infinite solution. This one here. Okay, yeah, infinite solution. Then the question is, how do I get the answer then? I told you already, yeah, this first row is y, I mean x, the second row is y. If you got all 0, which means y can be anything. Okay, y can be anything. So which means let y become k. Then the first row, this equation, which means x change according to y. So this one, x plus 3 on 2, or 1x plus 3 on 2y equal 3. If y is anything, then x will change accordingly. So which means x is equal to 3 minus 3 over 2k. Does it make sense? Yeah. So such as when k equals 0, yeah. So which means y equals 0. Then what's my x? X is equal to 3 minus that, which means you're going to coordinate 3, 0 here. Make sense? Then when k equal to 1 or 1.5, 1.2, anything. So y is equal to 1. Then x is equal to 3 minus 3 on 2. You've got another value. This is another coordinate somewhere here. And so on and so on and so on. Does it make sense? Yeah, because they have unique solution. So double REF can able to solve, but once you got something weird, what does it mean by that? Okay, write it down. Once you write it down, can you do questions 5 for me, please? All right, I got a student ask the question, which is very good. You say the last row is 0, then which means infinite solution. Then how about no solution? No solution. Double REF will give me what? If they give me something like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, anything like this, then there's no solution. Good. All right, have a look for the next one. Question 5 for AA high level, like for AI high level or standard level, AA standard level, then you can treat that as linear regression, like 3 equations, 3 unknown. Yeah, but for AA high level, this can be represented as equation of a plane under vector. All right, so I got 3 planes in front of you. That's what highlight last week you asked me this question. I said, don't worry about that. Now I give you the answer. Yeah. So 3 planes. I want to find the intersection of these 3 planes. Okay. So I can't solve system equation. Then what should I do? 3 equation. Yeah. I can use double REF. Okay. Yeah. So try. Then you can able to get the intersection of 3 planes. Okay. So which means yeah, make sure in order, yeah, x, y, z, constant. So which means 2, 1, 1, minus 1. The first one is easy, yeah. The second equation, I don't have x, so which means 0, 3, 4, minus 7. The third equation, I can write it nicely. Make sure in order. So which means 6, 0, 1, 8. And then here we go. Equation, a coordinate of free plane. If you know what I'm talking about. What I want, 3 by 4, tag 4, 2 tag, 1 tag, 1 tag, minus 1, 0 tag, 3 tag, 4 tag, minus 7, and then 6 tag, 0 tag, 1 tag, 8, then ta-da, identity. X is 1, Y is minus 5, Z is 2. Okay, all right, do question 6 for me. So this is a projectics, right? Projectics. So background knowledge, like doesn't matter how much technique, how much shortcut you apply. If you look at the question, you cannot link back to a specific topic. That's all useless. Okay, if you don't have the first one, doesn't matter how many zero, how many techniques, it doesn't form a number. It doesn't get any marks. Okay, so for this one, I give you 3 random coordinate out of quadratics. So in front of you, you got 3 forms. What form should I start? Because quadratics polynomial, yeah, polynomial, you have 3 forms: channel form, turning point form, and interception form. These are 3 random coordinate. I don't have turning point, I don't have x-intercept, so I will start from channel form, and that's what they're asking. So which means, can I say the first equation? So which is 25 equal 4a plus 2b plus c. And then 7 equals 16a plus 4b plus c. And then 22 equal to 64a plus 8b plus c. Yeah, okay. And then WEF, right? XY constant. Okay, able to do it. Make sense? Oh, good. So which means WEF and then 3 by 2, you can get the answer. Okay. So someone, what's the answer? A equal to, Angela, what do you get?
11 over 24.
B?
And we take 7 over 4. And C is 20 over 3.
Yeah. So which means find the quadratic equation in this form and this, yes. So therefore, y equal to 11 over 24x squared minus 7 over 4x plus 20 over 3. Ta-da. Yeah, good. All right, have a look for 7. No pattern. Think about how to do the question first. Do it by yourself. All right, can you able to do it? This one should be fine, yeah? Nothing to do with calculator right now first, but why? Everything has a reason. Why I give you question 7 is because I want to understand something. But by looking at this, what's the question asking? Find the value of m. Find m, I understand. The information is they give me this, and then it has 2 solutions, right? What kind of equation is this? Quadratics. Do you realize? Yeah, doesn't matter you're doing AA or AI, same. Quadratic, you learned this already. This is a topic that you will see in exam. Quadratic for sure. Quadratic solution. So what concept am I using? Discriminant. Right, agree? 2 solution, which means discriminant larger than 0. So I'm going to use discriminant. Yeah. No double REF anymore. Don't follow the pattern. Like, oh, question 5, double REF. Question 6, double REF. Question 7, double REF. That's no pattern in exam. You look at this first. Okay. Quadratics, b squared minus 4ac bigger than 0. So b minus m squared minus 4a 2c 3m take 1 bigger than 0. So which means m squared minus 8 times 3m take 1 bigger than 0. Right, yeah? So what do I do next? Inequality. Inequality, what do I do? Sketch. Right. Inequality, nonlinear inequality, nonlinear inequation, sketch. So you decide to sketch. Nonlinear inequation. So sketch it again. Go to them. I can delete everything. I can insert a new page as well. You design. Okay. Then I got what's that? M squared, and you cannot use M. You have to use X. X squared minus 8 times bracket 3x take 1. Enter. 8 out of scale again. Yeah. So you should know if I want to change the scale, probably go to here, this corner. Let's say I want 20. 20 probably not good. 30. Tag. 8 pretty good. Go down. Let's say negative 50. Enter. Still not good. Go to here. Negative 100. Tag. But anyway, it doesn't matter. I don't want that. What minimum? I can go to the maximum. Go change, let's say 50. Okay, I need this and this, yeah, because this is discriminant. I want this bit and this bit. So find this. Menu. Analyze 0. Left bound, right bound. Okay, menu. Analyze 0. Left bound, right bound. So you got that. Yeah, once again, let's say I want more decimal places. I don't want this. So what should I do again? Hop over the mouse. Yeah. And then add plus. Oh, you got more decimal place. So you should know how to play around with this right now. Yeah. So which means your answer is less than 0.338 and more than 23.6, 23.7. Round bracket, union. Okay, yeah. All right, have a look for question 8.